Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Android data in ZArchiver. This powerful file manager helps you access and manage files within the often restricted Android/data directory. Many applications store important information here, such as game saves or user settings. Understanding how to navigate and modify these files can be incredibly useful for advanced users. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently handle your app data. To begin, launch ZArchiver and attempt to open the Android/data folder. You'll notice a prompt asking for special access to this directory. It's crucial to grant these permissions for ZArchiver to function correctly. Simply tap on Use this folder at the bottom of the screen, then confirm your selection. This one-time step ensures ZArchiver has the necessary authorization to manage your application data effectively and securely. Once permissions are granted, you can freely browse, copy, move, or delete files within the Android/data directory. ZArchiver also allows you to extract compressed archives or create new ones directly in this sensitive area. For instance, you might move a game save file or extract a mod. Remember to exercise caution. Incorrect modifications could potentially lead to application malfunctions or data loss. Always double-check your actions. ZArchiver is incredibly useful for several scenarios. You can easily back up your game saves, transfer application data to a new device, or even modify specific app files for advanced customization. For example, you might want to restore a game's progress or apply a custom theme. A vital best practice is to always create a backup of any files you plan to modify. This ensures you can revert changes if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.